before I share the products, this is what I look like. Like this is one of my favorite looks. اللي بيجي super طبيعي بنفس الوقت انتو حاطين ميك اب but still you look like yourself, you look natural, and yeah, that's it. خلينا نعمل بقى some makeup. It's time to do some makeup. I'm gonna be doing the usual like quarantine, Ramadan, lockdown friendly look. We're gonna be focusing on complexion, brows and lips. Nothing crazy on the eyes, especially that I cannot do anything artistic with my hands right now. And I will be using this filter that I know it doesn't change anything in the face. I think it just makes it a bit smoother, but it's just a beautiful filter. Like it's just so dreamy. It will make everything like nice and dreamy. And I'm obsessed with this filter مرة مثايل علي. I adore this human. هي والإنستغرام بجنني تبعت منه perfect. But anyway, let's start. managed to pick a few products from Urban Decay اليوم. I'll be using Urban Decay لحتى أعمل هيدا اللي بدي أعمله. And I picked a few products ما كترتهم كتير لحتى يكون سهل إنكم if you're interested to find them you can find them easily through a swipe up link. So كل ما أكون عم استعمل مستحضر حكون حاطة معه swipe up link بتدخلكم على موقع سفورة لأنه you know Urban Decay is sold at Sephora so you can find the product online إذا عبالكم تشتروه. Cause هلا now مثل بتعرفوا we cannot go out, we cannot like shop the way we used to. The best way to shop right now is online. I will be linking every single product. وبدل لما أخلص حاجة أصور لكم البرودكت مثل ما هو واحد وأحط لكم swipe up link so everything is easy and clear. مثل ما بتعرفوا we all know all nighter اللي هو the setting spray and I feel like it's taking a lot of fame from this one which is also as amazing اللي هو اسمه quick fix. So this is a hydra charge complexion prep priming spray. هذا عبارة عن a primer spray بيرطب الوجه وبيحضرها perfectly قبل الميك اب and it's rich in coconut water and you know how much I love coconut water in any beauty product. فحرشه على وجهي كتير منيح. I'm just gonna let it set and wait for it to dry and then I will start with the routine. You know what bugs me like so much هو لما بعمل tag and it's not the same size in every store so when you go from store to another it's like it changes a little bit. This irritates my guts. I think it's a Virgo thing but it really pisses me off. Okay, now the primer حيكون the all nighter face primer which is a long wear foundation grip. So المفروض انه it adds like a smoothing effect وكمان it preps the skin للفاونديشن بتخليه ضاين كتير اكتر وما يصير كيكي. ف with this I will only be using I think like 1.5 pump وحركزه اكتر شي على التي زون محل ما انا usually بزيت وشي. حيكون the Stay Naked Weightless Liquid Foundation. I will be using اليوم two, one powder and one liquid. I'm definitely always start with the liquid بس ما حاستعمل كتير لأنه I don't want my face to like look thick إذا حاستعمل two foundations on top of each other. I will be using a little bit of the liquid foundation, just literally a pump. And I'm gonna use the wet beauty blender اللي ححط أرش فيها أو أرش عليها the quick fix. Let me do this with my other hand. And then هوزعه أكتر شيء على المحلات اللي بدي أغطي فيها الimperfections because I think for yellow الشيد 40 yellow warm yellow هو أكتر شيء I think matches me right now with my current skin or complexion. So I'm just covering بشكل كتير خفيف imperfections and whatever is left on the sponge بزوع عليه. حيكون the Stay Naked Correcting Concealer بس ب 40 neutral yellow so NY مش WY. This concealer is amazing. I've spoken about it many times. Look how beautiful is this. It's so good. فرشات. الحواجب حاستعمل لألون البراو بليد. What I love about this product هو إنه it's a brow pen, a very fine pen. ونفس الوقت بقلبه هيدا الريشة اللي كتير رفيعة تقدر ترسموا فيها شعرات كتير رفيعة تعبوا الفراغات. So I will be filling my brows أول شي بهيدا القلم العادي. Let me get in there. because I cannot do this with my left hand. Taking my brow من فوق شوي. and then هون لحتى ما يكون في خط هيك مثل بعد ما عبيت الفراغات بعد في هيدا اللاين like اللي بدي ارسم فيه هودي fine hairs. so I just go مع شكل الشعرة. بهذا الشكل. I'm gonna start using ال powder foundation اللي هو كمان the Stay Naked the Fix. So this is an amazing 16-hour wear foundation. الحلو فيه إنه صحيح it's powder بس it covers perfectly but at the same time it looks like second skin and it doesn't look like there's a thick powder on your face. Usually بستعملها بالسبونج اللي بتجي معها because it's one of the best sponges I've used. بس اليوم لأنه I have liquid foundation تحت and on specific spots I just want it to be very light. ما بدي أغطي التغطية اللي لطيف. So I'm going to use a brush. والشيء اللي عم استعمله is 40 warm yellow, which is an amazing olive tone. So I'm just going to take هذه big brush and just buff it بهذا الشكل على الوجه. I'm not supposed to use this hand, but I cannot do this with my left hand. To bronze, highlight, blush, وبتاع كله. I will be using the Stay Naked Threesome in the shade Naked. I usually use Rise, بس Rise هلا كتير غامق علي لأنه كتير فتح لون بشرتي لأنه ما عم بشوف الشمس. ف I will be using Naked, which is definitely more natural than Rise. The bronzer تبع Naked is amazing, by the way. I kind of like it more because it has a bit more of a glow. This is so nice. Okay, this is the first time I use Naked. I usually use the other one. Wow, I love that one, guys. Yeah, this is really nice. مات بقي وشي بالبرونزر. Now حاستعمل البلاش, which is a bit like when you look at it, you're like, it's too pink. بس على البشرة بيطلع لا, look. It's actually very soft on the skin. يعني منه هالقد intense مثل ما شايفينه هون. Let me put a little bit more bronzer هون. With highlighter, let me find a highlighter brush. I think هودي الستابس يعني صرتوا حافظينهم خلاص يعني على المظبوط. This highlighter is stunning, by the way. هلا في شغله بعملها usually I used to do my brows على الاخير وحط البراو ماسكارا وكله ارجع بعدين كمل وشي. بعدين الباودر من البرونزر والبلاش بيعلق على saying هو انه usually كنت حط البراو ماسكارا قبل ولما كنت خلص البرونزر والبلاش يعلق عليها باودر بس ما بتكون لحقت تنشف. So now I actually finished everything. The last thing I do هو البراو ماسكارا. هلا ignore this. I will fix this later بالكونتور تبع الشفاف. بس I have to do this now because بعد ما دوبت الفيلر I think my lip زمت هيك. Anyway, so the brow mascara that I'll be using اليوم هي اسمها Ozone, which is the brow finish waterproof brow gel. So هيدا بيخليهم محلون أما بيتحركوا. و now that I'm not gonna be putting any more powder على وشي, I can do this كفاية step and then هيك my brows بضلوا مبينين نضاف like standing out. Okay, هلا المسكارا. I'm just gonna apply mascara على عيوني اليوم. I will be obviously using the mascara. Then I exited the video by mistake. But anyway, حطيت 2 layers من المسكارا, not one. I waited like 1 minute بين اللاير والتاني. And this is what I got. هلا صار وقت آخر step أو قبل آخر step اللي هي الحمراء. I'm not gonna be applying حمراء اليوم. I will be just applying lip liner all over my lips. And I want to try to kind of have a darker nude than usual على شفافي. Usually I always go for the peachy light nude. Now I want to try dark nude. مش dark but no, I want it like to stand out. For the lip liner that I'm going to be using من Urban Decay هو Liar. It's not very dark but like it stands out. لنشوف how a dark nude would look on my lips because هلا بعدني من وقت ما نفستون أو دوبتهم نفستون لهلا. Oh my god. wow. ما جربت حمرا غامقة عليهم, just جربت like light, the usual that I wear, which is my lipstick with MAC most of the times. Do this off camera. No, my hand is not very stable. I need to take my time, especially that I need to like kind of overline a little bit my upper lip. And now I'm just filling it in. بأي شيء بيكون 24 hours أو super matte, I always take my finger and بجرب هذا الشكل. I know it doesn't look good on cam, like me doing this, I look ridiculous right now, but it makes a huge difference بالمات lipsticks أو lip liners. بيخلي هذه الحركة تخليه يبين soft أكتر ومنه هالقد سميك وبين actually بضل يكون أكتر when you do this. والبرونزر اللي حطيته هون شفت كيف بقى عطاه شادو لحتى تشقل شفتي لفوق. This is what I was trying to do. هلا I'm gonna set everything with the all-nighter setting spray because this is like one of the best setting sprays in the entire market. منيح انه عن جد بيخلي الميك اب يضل لنا فترة طويلة. And this will kind of let كمان powder foundation set بشكل أكتر, like it will blend أكتر على السكين. So I'm gonna let this dry and then show you what I look like بالضوء الطبيعي. Before I share the products, this is what I look like. Like this is one of my favorite looks. اللي بيجي super طبيعي بنفس الوقت انه حاطين ميك اب but still you look like yourself, you look natural, and yeah, that's it.